Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. This is the update you've all been waiting for. In this video, I'll show you how to install ESign and how to install IPA files on your iPhone or iPad without using a PC or jailbreak. This method works perfectly on iOS 15, iOS 16, iOS 17, and the latest iOS 18.5 as well. Let's get started. First, open Safari on your iOS device and go to SKIBIDI Tech website. I will put the website link in the description. Then hit on Download SKIBIDI, and then hit Allow to download the profile in your iOS device. Now open Setting, then open Downloaded Profile, and then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install Downloaded Profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now you will see SKIBIDI Tech app on your iOS device home screen. Open the SKIBIDI Tech app.
Day and all night we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sun.
Now you will see different ESign links there. Simply hit on Get on any one of the ESign link, and then hit Install to install ESign in your iPhone or iPad. Make sure to start with the first link, and if one link don't work, then try other links to install ESign in your iOS device. Once ESign is installed in your iOS device, now open Setting, then open General, and then open VPN and Device Management. Then open Enterprise app, and then hit Trust, and then hit Allow and restart to let ESign app work in your iPhone or iPad. After restart, now you will see that the ESign app will start working properly without any problem. Now open the SKIBIDI Tech app again. Then hit on Certificates option at bottom. Now hit on Get on the first certificate link. Then hit on More, and then hit on Save to Files, and then hit Save to save the cert zip file in your iOS device. Now open your Files folder. Then hit on the cert zip file, then you will have a new cert folder with 3 files in it. Now open ESign app, and then hit on 3 dots on top. Then hit on Import, and then select the mobile provision file from the new cert folder. Now hit again on 3 dots on top, and then hit Import again. Then select the P12 file from the new cert folder. Now first hit on Mobile Provision file, and then hit Import. Then hit on P12 file, and then hit on Import Certificate Management. Now enter the password and hit OK. And now we are good to use ESign app. Now simply download the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad, and then open ESign app. Then hit on 3 dots on top, and then hit on Import. Now simply select the IPA file you want to install in your iOS device. Then hit Import again. Once it's imported, now hit on Apps. Then hit on your imported IPA file, and then hit Signature. Now hit on More Settings, and then scroll down at bottom, and then enable the second last option, and then hit Signature again. Now hit install, and then hit install again to install your IPA file in your iPhone or iPad. This method has been tested and is working perfectly on the latest versions, iOS 15, iOS 16, iOS 17, and the newest iOS 18.5. And yes, still no jailbreak and no PC needed. That's it. Super easy, super quick. No computer, no jailbreak. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, comment which iOS version you're using, and subscribe for more awesome iOS tips. Check the description and pinned comment for all links used in this video. Catch you in the next.